Elon Musk has recognized the ambitious nature of Tesla's production goals, candidly admitting that the actual output may fall significantly short of the target of 10,000 units. This acknowledgement inevitably raises pertinent questions regarding Tesla's production capabilities and overall operational efficiency. In light of this context, the second generation of Optimus is anticipated to escalate production to an impressive 100,000 units per month, signaling Tesla's confidence in its ability to scale operations. Such a dramatic increase could potentially alter the landscape of robotics, positioning Tesla as a key player in the industry. Furthermore, the entry of competitors such as the Chinese company unveiled into the humanoid robot market has prompted Tesla to expedite its efforts in this domain. This competitive pressure is likely to shape Tesla's strategic decisions moving forward, compelling the company to innovate and improve its offerings. In addition to its internal objectives, Tesla is also looking to expand its market reach by selling Optimus to external clients, thereby enhancing its business model. This strategic initiative has the potential to revolutionize the robotics industry, indicating a shift toward broader commercialization of humanoid robots. Musk's optimism regarding the potential of Optimus is driven by rapid advancements in artificial intelligence and robotics. These innovations could enable humanoid robots to perform tasks with greater efficiency than specialized machines currently in use, marking a significant evolution in the realm of automation technology. Analysts project that Tesla could generate substantial revenues from Optimus by the year 2035, predicting significant unit sales within the market. This projection underscores the potential economic impact that humanoid robotics could possess, reshaping traditional market dynamics. Moreover, Musk has articulated that Optimus could be capable of generating over $10 trillion in revenue, thereby underscoring the financial viability of investing in its development and the necessary training infrastructure. Such figures clearly indicate the strategic importance of this initiative. In pursuit of its objectives, Tesla has committed an impressive over $10 billion in capital expenditures for 2024, dedicating a substantial proportion of these funds to AI-related projects, including the development of Optimus. This commitment reflects the company's serious investment in the future of robotics. In conjunction with these developments, Tesla's recent hiring surge for Optimus production encompasses a variety of engineering roles, illustrating a concerted effort to bring the humanoid robot to market by the year 2026. This recruitment strategy signals a focused initiative to bolster its engineering capabilities. This hiring surge not only indicates Tesla's serious commitment to bringing Optimus to market, but it also aligns with the company's broader emphasis on enhancing manufacturing roles in recent years. Such strategic actions are essential for achieving production goals. Elon Musk has asserted that Optimus could soon undertake various tasks such as walking dogs, babysitting, and serving drinks, which further underscores Tesla's ambitious vision for the multifunctionality of the robot. This highlights the extensive applications Tesla envisions for its humanoid creations. Finally, Musk's recruitment strategy places an emphasis on talent over traditional qualifications, seeking to attract top coding talent for Tesla and his various ventures. This innovative approach aims to cultivate a workforce of forward-thinking individuals who can drive the company's transformative agenda.